Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see request response handling using Express. How we are making you handling this request and response. For this, I have taken a program. Ex- I have named my folder as Express Routing. Okay. Here I have written index.js. Only index.js file you need to create. Okay. So what we are going to do, that is importing Express. These statements tells you to import express, that is let express equals to require express. Next is let app equals to express, initiating this express, and I am writing different routes. Okay, different routes, that is app.get. This is the default route which will be say handling this request and response. So my function request and response, that is the promise whatever we are. Okay, so it is sending when this request, when this by default route has been requested by the user, it has to send, the server has to send welcome to express routing. Okay, next route is test. Okay, which will be saying reach a test route. Okay, next route is get house, which will be sending reached guest house route. Okay, this is get method for fetching the data. Okay, if at all if we have to give some data to the server. Okay, so we are going to make use of post method. Okay, posting, we are giving data to the server, writing data to the server. Okay, so for that I gave a route, a small route only I have given. I am not giving any user id password and all to the server. So login, this function will be from the server, so it will be sending reached login post. Okay, and one more route for post method I have given sign up. Okay, and from the app.get users with id also we can get a specific id also we can get. Here only I have given constant users id 1, name is alice, name is. Okay, so for getting with the id, extracting the parameter using the id, so here is the logic what I have given. Using the id I can find out user id details, user details. Okay, small json details only I have given. Okay, and middleware here express. Okay, if that request, if I am asking other than the ids that is not present in the file, then it has to show me page not found. Okay, and my server is listening at the port 5000. Okay, what did I do? I came to, after writing, save it up. Okay, save. Now start your server by saying npm init -y. Okay, then you will be viewing package.json file, as we know, and install express npm I express, npm I node1. Then you will be seeing under dependencies express and node1. Instead of for each and every request, instead of starting your server every time, if you install node1, your server will be kept started until and unless we close it. Okay, it will be running, our server will be running at the port 5000, right? Now we got this. I have started my server. Okay, by saying npm start. Okay, so you might be finding an getting an error where you might be missing start script. Okay, so there you might not be having, once you get package.json you might not be seeing this start script. Okay, there you can write down start node1 index.js. Fine, start node1 index.js, so that server will be kept running at 5000 and index.js will be running now. Okay, now my server is running at port number 5000. For this I'm making use of thunder client. Okay, rest apis, uh, thunder client or postman you can use. Okay, I'm making use of a thunder client to show you the request and responses how it is happening. Okay, so my this is this is the new request I have kept in. Okay, here when you click on new request, you will be seeing this page. Okay, here you can see all the methods. Okay, that is get, post method, put, delete. Okay, so here we are using only get and post here in this. So get default. Okay, my default route was what it has to say, welcome to the express routing, no, my default. So this has, it is showing this one, welcome to express routing. What is my next route? That is test. Okay, so here I will say test. Okay, so what it is saying, reach a test route. Okay, what is the next route? That is get house. Okay, slash, instead of test I need to say get house. Okay, see, I have reached get house route. Okay, next, what is our other route? Post. Post, in post we have having login, that we will check. So in post, that is giving to the server. So I have written login route. So it is saying reached login post. That is what we have written. No? Reached login post. Okay. Sign up. Next route is post only. Sign up. If you check, it has to say reached sign up route post. Okay. And what else we have written in our program? We are trying to get users with ID. Okay. Users with ID. So here I want users. Let's see. Page not found. We have written specifically mentioning the ID. Okay. So it is still saying page not found. Okay. So it is under get method. That's why it is showing me the error page not found. It is get fetching the data, no? So I have given. So now it is showing ID too. Okay. So one also we will check. So one, what we have written in our program, we have written only two JSON files. No, that is Alice name only we have given. That is what it is showing. Okay. So our logic is working right. In this way, our request and the responses will be working handled. Okay, if I say four, there are only one and two files we have given, no? So user not found, that is what we have written here. If something else other than that it is giving, it should show you user not found. Okay, if something other than that we are requesting, then it is show page not found. That is what, no, it said when I was using post, it said page not found. Now when I am using different ID which is not given, then it is saying user not found, right? This is about handling request and responses. Fine. Your folder should consists of express routing and index.js that we have written. Once you start your server, npm init hyphen y, then you will be seeing package.json. And when you have started in a set npm start, you will be seeing node modules folder in your folder, and your server will be running at this port, and you can install going to the extensions. Here you can search for um, yeah, this Thunder client and Postman. If you say Thunder client, here you can see, you will be finding like this install. You can click on this and install. Postman also, in the same way you can install it. Okay, under extensions it will be there. Thank you all. Keep learning.